Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to set up screen distance in iOS 17. Step 1. Screen distance is exclusive to the latest version of Apple's operating system. You can check which software your device is running by heading to Settings, then General, About, then iOS version. Step 2. From your device's home screen or app library, find the Settings app and tap the screen time option. You find it in the second block of option below focus but above general. Step 3. Once in the screen time menu, tap the screen distance option. It's the second one down directly below app and website actively. Step 4. The next two screens will explain what a screen distance is, how it will be of benefit to users, and what to do if the screen shield warning flashes up. The feature itself is designed to reduce eye strain and the increased risk of myopia associated with the close screen usage. And should a warning flash up, you need to move the screen at least 12 inches away from your face before you are given the option to continue. Step 5. The final screen has a single toggle which lets you switch screen distance on and off at your leisure. It should be switched on once you get through the previous confirmation screen, but just be sure that the switch is green if you want screen distance turned on. Step 6. From here, screen distance will work in the background only. Ever activating a Face ID detects that you are sitting too close to the screen for an extended period. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you.